Hello and welcome back to another video here at Cool Prints Today. My name is Tim and I want to say thank you all for checking out my video and my channel. I started my channel about a little over a year ago, and I cover the topics of screen printing and 3D printing throughout, and then sometimes I'll throw in some additional videos in there, some things, you know, maybe my hobby of my turtles or pets or whatever, but anyways, I put that all into one video. And so make sure that to see more videos, make sure you like and subscribe and share this video so that way you can see future content like this, and this build a community, and this all start talking to one another. If you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. See you guys in the next video. Catch you later.